everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Netflix games not opening after update. If Netflix games are not opening after an update, don't worry, this usually is a temporary issue and can be fixed easily. First, restart your device after updating because updates need a fresh restart to work properly. Next, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe the apps away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then, if the issue still continues, clear the apps cache or reinstall Netflix app completely. Also, make sure that your device software is updated because sometimes system mismatch can cause games not to open. If nothing works, sign out of your Netflix account and sign back in, and that's it. Now your Netflix games should open properly after update. Thanks for watching and see you later in the next guide.